So what we have today is the NeuroTrack Myoplus Pro. We want to demonstrate the simple operation of this device. So we're going to turn it on and we can see the welcome screen and some other settings within that welcome screen. To start, we're just going to use our wand, which is a touch screen. We're going to touch EMG and we have 4 different windows within that. In that window, you've got open display, work rest, templates and games. Open display is what it means. It basically means we've got an open display where we can see EMG operationally. Within this window, we have some settings which we can set. We can set our threshold, our volume, our biofeedback sound if we want it above or below our threshold lines. We have our milliamp upper limits, and we can press the forward button and we can see there is a click sound that it's turned on. We can turn it off or turn it on again. And then we have also EMG filters, which is a wide filter and a narrow filter. I'll explain that later on. Use the back arrow to go back to where we started, and we can see here we can set the threshold for auto, and onto manual we can have the biofeedback above, below or constant or off. I prefer to have the biofeedback above. We can set our milliamp upper limit up to 90 milliamps. No particular reason to do that except for stimulation. It means we can't go any higher than 90 milliamps. We shall go back to the arrow here, and now on this screen you can see where we have a time phase running of 2 minutes and 56 seconds, but we can change that at any time. There are some other things here which shows you our battery and our Wi-Fi connection if we're connected to a computer. In here you can see we've got a simple bar rather than having a line, so we can turn this back onto a line. We can pause it so we can sit down and discuss it with our patient and tell them what's happening in the biofeedback.